How to trim sounds on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can trim sounds on TikTok. Okay, straight into it. So, if you want to use a sound from TikTok, but it's not playing in the right place, that's because you need to trim or crop the sound to play at the time you want. So to do this, first open up the TikTok app, then tap on the plus button. Next, choose the photo or video that you'd like to upload. Then tap on Add Sound at the top. Tap to choose the sound you would like to use. Then tap on the tick. Next, on the right, click on the drop down arrow and you'll see the button that says Trim. So tap on that one. You can now slide the music bar to the section of the song that you would like to select. When the selection bar is at the correct spot, tap on the tick button and then tap on Next. Now you can post your TikTok as normal. And that's all it takes to trim sounds on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.